Hi guys, in this recipe video, I'm gonna teach you one of the best of the Filipino dishes that I grew up with. It's super simple, super delicious, and full of umami flavors. Our dish for today is called Sarciadong Isda. Let's start by crushing and mincing our garlic. I'm gonna use one whole garlic because I love the additional of garlicky taste to our dish. You can choose to use less if you want to. Next is our onion. I'm gonna cut it into small cubes as well. The red onion gives a very nice texture to our sauce, and also it gives a nice sweetness to the dish. I'm gonna use tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes like cherry tomatoes. Cut it into small cubes. Next, let's chop some parsley. Some lime. And spring onion. I'm gonna cut it lengthwise. Then I will slice it thinly. This will be part of our presentation and additional taste to the dish. Alright, let's prepare our eggs. Gonna put some salt and pepper and whisk it up. That easy. Alright, here's our fish. You can use any fillet fish. So I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Then I'm going to add some ginger powder. Give some nice fresh taste to the fish. Then I'll be using all-purpose flour to coat our fish. Squeeze it a little bit so that it can get much flour as needed, and the flour helps our fish to be nice and crispy. Let's start to fry our fish. Just do not try to move that much so it won't break. That's the secret of frying the fish. See how beautiful it is, guys? So in one pan, I'm gonna heat up our vegetable oil, then saute our garlic. I'll add our onions, then our parsley, tomatoes in, and mix it up. And I'll add additional oyster sauce to give more umami flavor to the dish. You can use water or any vegetable stock or chicken stock if you want to bring everything together. Simmer for a while. and season with salt and pepper. I'm gonna off the heat, then add our eggs, because we don't want to scramble our eggs. I just want the creaminess from the eggs. Then I'll add some spring onions, and that's it. Super easy and looks delicious, guys. Look at that. So let me know, guys, if you liked our Sarciadong Isda first day. If you got some comments and questions, do not forget to write it down in our comment section. Also, do some requests so that next time I'm gonna do your preferred dishes that you want to see. If you're new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Turn on your notification bell so that you will have updates when we have our upcoming videos. I'm gonna see you guys. Once again, this is Chef Danzen. Happy cooking, everyone.